Once again, good morning to everyone. Welcome to the city of Vilnius, the capital of Lithuania. Good morning to all our viewers online. And today we have beautiful...
In this room, we have over 100 professionals. And I am not counting Teltonika people. It's you, professionals in telematics industry.
Pleasure to see you all here. I really appreciate that you spend this time with us, and we put a lot of effort to make this event as nice as possible so you could enjoy it and it could be valuable for you.
And thank you for participating in Teltonika Telematics Summit Europe 2024. See you next year.